Let's take a walk and go to farm, go to farm, go to farm. Let's take a walk and go to farm and see what we'll always found. Let's take a walk and go to farm, go to farm, go to farm. Let's take a walk and go to farm. What is that sound? Hey, did you just hear that sound? Let's find out what sound it is. Hello, good morning everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, how are you doing today? I hope you guys are doing good, happy, and awesome as always. By the way, can you guess where I am now? Yeah, I'm on the farm. And today, I'll show you what animals live on the farm. Now come with me. Oh look, there's a cow. And there's a baby cow too. It's a calf. A cow and a cow. Let's feed them. Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm. What is that sound? Now, can you guess what animal sounds like that? Yeah, that's a sheep. What's the name for a baby sheep? A lamb. It's a lamb. A sheep and a lamb. Hey look, who's there? It's the old MacDonald. He owns this farm. Hello there.
Oh, hello.
Are you feeding the horse?
Yes, I am.
Oh, look at its baby. What's the name for a baby horse?
Foal. It's a foal. Foal runs quickly.
And what's that? Is that a goat?
Yes, it's a goat. There's a baby goat too.
I know the name for a baby goat. Kid. It's a kid.
Fantastic, you're right. Come on, I'll take you to see other farm animals. Look, I have a chicken too.
And what do we call a baby chicken?
Chick. It's a chick. Chicks are yellow. Wait, do you hear that sound?
Yeah, that's a duck. It's swimming with some baby ducks. And what is the name for a baby duck?
Duckling. It's called duckling.
Ducklings are cute. Thank you for taking me around the farm. Bye-bye, old MacDonald. Now you know some animals live on the farm. We've also learned the name of their young ones. And I don't think there will be a great way to revise it all but singing the old MacDonald song. Let's sing along. What a fun day today! But friends, now I have a little quiz for you. Do you know the name for a baby cat and a baby dog? If you do, tell me at the class later. Until next time everyone, and this is Miss Dian saying bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.